If you start your computer and you get a blue screen of death with the error 0xc000021a, this can occur in Windows 10 when there is a problem with the operating system's integrity and can be caused by a number of issues, including hardware or software problems, virus or malware infections, or issues with the installation of the operating system. So try the following solutions to repair this blue screen error in a quick and easy way. In the first solution, we'll use Startup Repair and see if this solved the issues.
First, start your PC and press the power button while it tries to load Windows to force it to shut down. Do this 3 times in a row to get the automatic repair screen. You could also disconnect it from the outlet. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Startup Repair. Select your account. Type in your password. If you don't have one, just press Continue. Now wait for Windows 10 to be repaired.
In the next solution, we'll type a series of commands that will rebuild your master boot record.
Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Now type bootrec/fixmbr and then press Enter. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. If you get access denied, type the following command and then try again. Type bootrec/fixboot and then press Enter. Type bsod edit/export c/bidbackup and then press Enter. Type attrib/boot/bcd-h-r-s and then press Enter.
In the next solution, will system restore. If you have a recent system restore point, you can try using it to roll back your system to a previous point in time when it was working correctly.
Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. Press System Restore. Select your account. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Now your PC should be restored. Press Restart.
In the last solution, we'll restore the operating system to its default settings, which can be helpful if you are experiencing problems with your computer or want to start fresh with a clean installation.
Press Reset this PC. Select if you want to keep your personal files. Select your account. Type in your password, and if you don't have one, just press Continue. Press Reset. Now wait for Windows to reset.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.